Amid coronavirus lockdown in the nation, countries' forex reserve increasing like never before. Other countries in the globe suffering from economic slowdown, but in India, economy is recovering quickly. As of 31st July 2020, India's total foreign currency exchange reserve stands at around 534.568 US billion dollars. So how RBI accumulates foreign reserve currency? Firstly, through purchasing currencies from authorized dealers in open market operations, through foreign direct investment, through trade with other countries, and also Indian people who is working in US or in Europe, they send dollars or euros to their families in India, and through tourism sector. What is the use of these foreign reserves? Why India accumulates foreign reserves? Foreign reserves in India is used in the case of economic slowdown or to boost country's economy. And also, foreign currency gives confidence for foreign companies to invest in India. We know during lockdown, India's economy went down, many lost their job and company share market crashed. So RBI used almost 12 billion US dollars from foreign reserves to boost country's economy and bring rupee value stable. After rupee value got stable, foreign companies started investing in India. Foreign exchange reserves also facilitates for external trade and payments with other countries. As of 31st July 2020, India's total foreign exchange reserve stands at around 534.568 billion US dollars, the highest ever, with foreign currency asset component at around 490.829 billion US dollar, gold reserves at around 37.625 billion US dollar, SDR of around 1.464 billion US dollar, and around 4.585 billion US reserve position. All these four components made forex reserve of India increase to 534.6568 billion US dollars. If you look at the chart, foreign currency reserve increased in India exponentially this year. So what made the foreign reserve increased in India? First, India's foreign reserve is increased due to FDI inflow, which is foreign direct investment. Recent big investment is on Reliance Industry. Google, Facebook, Arabs and many invested almost 25 billion US dollars in Reliance Industry in 2020 this year. Not only in Reliance Industry, foreign companies invested in other companies as well. And the oil price got reduced due to less demand. Almost all countries' economy is slowing down. Because of that, consumption of the oil is also reduced. India buying less oil because of less demand in the country. Due to lockdown, travelings are restricted and IT employees started working from home. India's export increased compared to import from Atmanirbharta program, banning Chinese products, restriction of some imported products. Considering all these factors, foreign currency reserve of India increased exponentially this year. The economy survey of India also says India could target foreign exchange reserve of 750 billion US dollar to 1 trillion US dollar. India is at fifth position in the list of countries by foreign exchange reserve, just below Russia. Russia is in fourth position. You may also surprised to see there is no US in the top list. USA is a big economy and not in the top list. How is this possible, right? Because US dollars is an internal asset for USA, but for other countries, US dollar is external asset. USA don't consider US dollar as a foreign currency. USA has foreign reserves in other currencies and in gold form. Almost 62.7% of foreign currency is in the form of US dollars and 20.2 in euro form, and the rest is displayed in graph. Always in all the field, US dollar dominates in the globe. This is the list of countries foreign reserve without gold reserves. If you see in the list, India is in fourth position, but Russia is below India in the list because Russia has more gold reserves in its foreign currency reserve compared to India. India has only 6.9% of gold reserve in foreign forex currencies. Most of the currency is in US dollar form. The foreign exchange reserve of India consists of below four categories: foreign currency assets, gold, special drawing rights, reserve transposition. We will consider one by one. Foreign currency assets. Foreign currency asset component of India is around 490.829 billion US dollars. Foreign currency assets are mainly in the form of US dollar, the euro, Japanese yen, pounds, and Chinese yuan. India's foreign exchange reserves are mainly composed of US dollar in the form of US government bonds. Second, gold. India has gold nearly 6.9% of forex reserves. Gold reserves in India stands around 37.625 billion US dollars. Third, special drawing rights. Special drawing rights are supplementary to foreign exchange reserve assets defined and maintained by the International Monetary Fund. SDR drawing rights with the IMF of around 1.464 billion US dollar. What is SDR actually? In the late 1960s, the IMF, International Monetary Fund, was empowered by its shareholders to issue special drawing rights, which is supplementary to foreign exchange reserves. Every IMF country members holds SDR in their foreign reserves. Their SDR is not a currency, but it is like a currency. It is a supplementary to foreign exchange reserve. It cannot be used directly in market transactions because SDR is neither a currency nor a claim on the IMF. If a country is running low on currency to pay its foreign obligation, that country can exchange its SDR for the needed country. XDR has 5 major country options to exchange with: US dollar, euros, Japanese yen, Chinese yuan, and British pound. Just like every country can print its own currency, the IMF can also create SDR. USA holds a maximum of 17.46% in total of SDR quota or share. India only holds 2.76 share. This allocation depends on many factors. One main factor is the country's GDP. It can hold in the SDR form or ask for it to be converted to usable currency by selling all or part of it to another member or designated purchaser. When SDR was created, the value of SDR was equal to 1 USD, but the value of USD decreased against SDR over the years. Now, in 2020, it is 1 USD equals 0.735455 SDR. Fourth one, the country's reserve transposition is the difference between the International Monetary Fund's holdings of that country and the country's IMF designated quota. RTF of India is around 4.585 billion reserve position.